Okay, so first you're gonna need one of these plates or whatever plate you have. Then you have these, and we just have this just to be prepared. And we are making a homemade pizza. And so we are going to do this.
So you're folding the edge?
Yeah, you're gonna have to do it when it sticks.
And it's an easy recipe. It's only 3 ingredients, and we're already heating up the
Oven.
So for how long are we gonna keep it in there?
About probably 3 minutes.
Okay, that's fast. Okay.
It's okay if it doesn't completely stick because it will stick like this. Okay, now we're gonna add lots of tomato pizza red sauce. I think we're probably gonna need the whole bowl to fill this. You can do as many scoops as you like, but I like a lot of scoops.
Good job. I like how it's looking.
Oop.
That's okay.
And then we're gonna add a lot of cheese. You can do vegetables or cheese, but for me, I like cheese pizza, so I'm just gonna add cheese. If you like vegetable and onion pizza, you just add all that stuff and not cheese. But if you do like cheese and all that stuff, you can add cheese. I like mine with a lot of cheese. I'm gonna use like the whole bowl. Ooh, that's cold. Yeah.
You really like cheese, huh? Okay, so we're ready?
Okay, so we are ready. And we're gonna pass it to the oven expert. Now that the pizza is done, and now my mom is gonna cut it into 4 pieces and put it on the plate.
And she was right. It took about 3 minutes to be ready.
Well, like 2.
There you go. That's a good one.
Okay, that's 1 slice. We cut it into 4 slices, but you could do it in 8 or even 12 if you like.
Okay, okay.
And let's try this down at this.
Seems to be hot.
I think it's gonna be this one. Then I'm gonna eat.
How is it?
Oh my gosh, it's like so good. That was like so good.
Well, I guess while she's eating, like, subscribe, share, and
Psych
psych out.